Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check story analytics on Instagram. So the first step is to open the Instagram app. So now you will have to move in the profile icon is the right below. So from here you will just choose any random post or reels. I will just randomly open this and I will just click to view insights. So the view insights means they will show you analytics of this post about plays and hearts, comments, share button and favorite. So you can just analytics from here. Just click to insights of any post. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.